Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Right now, someone is thinking of you. But after these 4 minutes, they won't just be thinking, they will be consumed by your energy. You are about to become a magnetic force so powerful, so undeniable, that your presence becomes their only desire. If you are ready to be dangerously irresistible, let's begin. Type "I am irresistible" in the comments right now to claim this energy and to seal this manifestation in. Now relax your body. Feel the weight of the world lift as you center into your own power. Now repeat these words in your mind or out loud, feeling them vibrate through your soul. I am the prize they cannot ignore. My energy is a magnetic pull they cannot resist. Every breath I take makes me more enchanting to them. They are drawn to my essence like a moth to a flame. My absence is felt as a physical ache, and my presence is their only cure. I am the most captivating person they have ever known. Now imagine a golden light glowing at the center of your heart. With every inhale, this light expands, surrounding you in a shimmering aura of pure magnetic light. Feel the shift. You are no longer chasing, you are being pursued. Now visualize them feeling this shift as well. See them checking their phone just to see your name. Feel the intensity of their focus turning towards you. It's an obsessive pull that they cannot explain, but they also cannot ignore. You are the dominant energy in their mind. Stay in this feeling of being chosen. You are the sun, and they are orbiting around you. Your confidence is intoxicating. Your peace is alluring. They are captivated by the mystery of you. Feel the certainty in your bones. It is done. Now gently bring your awareness back to the room. You now carry this magnetic aura with you now. And if you want to accelerate this process and manifest them even faster, head over to joybyjanell.com for deeper tools and guidance. Don't forget to type "I am irresistible" in the comments to lock in this vibration, because you are irresistible. So go forth, be magnetic, and stay in the joy.